Stop scrolling. What if I told you can go viral on YouTube, TikTok or Instagram without showing your face? Yes, no camera, no stereo lights, no awkward stares into the lens. Just smart ideas, AI tools like Writecream and Strategy. Creators are making millions of views with faceless videos right now, and today I will show you exactly how you can do the same. Before we dive into the viral faceless video ideas, let's quickly talk about why faceless content is exploding. Low barrier to entry. You don't need fancy gear or confidence in front of the camera. Scalability. You can create multiple videos fast with AI tools like Writecream. Global appeal. Faceless videos often focus on storytelling, visuals or tutorials, which attract worldwide audiences. Now you can get why. Let's jump into the actual faceless video ideas you can start using today. Here are the best faceless video ideas that have been proven to go viral. Pay close attention because I will show you how to use Writecream AI to make these videos faster. Motivational quote video ideas. Use stock footage plus background music. Narration generated with Writecream's text-to-speech. Add stock photos plus B-roll footage. Why viral? Easy to binge, high retention. Animated storytelling. Short animated stories, live lessons or mini documentary. Use Writecream to generate the script, pair it with animation software. Tutorials and how-to videos. Example, how to use ChatGenie for free or best Canva hacks. Facts and mystery videos. Did you know? Style videos with AI voice. Background footage plus dynamic text. Why viral? Curiosity and shareability. Relaxation ASMR style. Rain sounds, steady music, calming backgrounds. Writecream can generate simple scripts or affirmations. Why viral? People watch it for hours, boosting watch time. Faceless reaction videos. Show memes, viral tweets or trending video. Use AI voiceover for commentary. Why viral? Your piggy bank of trend. Now here's the fun part. You don't have to write scripts or record your own voice. Writecream AI does the heavy lifting. Go to writecream.com. Sign up for free. Choose YouTube video script generator. Type in top 10 motivational quotes for success. Boom! Script ready in seconds. Use Writecream's text-to-speech. Pick a natural voice. Export. Add visuals using free sites like Pexels, Pixabay, Canva. Edit, upload to YouTube. Done. You have literally created a faceless video in just an hour. Just having video ideas isn't enough. Here's how to maximize your chances of going viral. Hook viewers in the first 5 seconds. Start with dramatic text or question. Use captions, text on screen. People watch muted videos. Consistency is king. Upload at least 3 to 4 times a week. Leverage trends. Adapt your faceless formats to trending topics. Optimize SEO. Use Writecream to generate video titles, descriptions, hashtags. So now you know the best faceless video ideas to go viral, and you have seen how Writecream can help you create professional scripts, voiceovers, and even SEO descriptions in minutes. If you're serious about growing your faceless video channel, start experimenting today. Hit like if this video gives you value, subscribe for more AI-powered content hacks, and let me know in the comment which faceless idea you will try first. This is your time to shine without even showing your face.